Can a tablet that's not made by Apple find its way into the workplace? Microsoft wants to give it another shot with the Microsoft Surface Go. As you might have already guessed, it's the latest product in Microsoft's Surface lineup. That includes the Surface Book, which you can see right here I'm using as my main work machine right now. It's just miniaturized into a 10-inch form factor. We're going to be unboxing this, so welcome to Unboxing for Business. I'm Brian Jackson. As you probably already guessed, the Surface Go is the newest addition to Microsoft's Surface lineup. It's the same design and build quality as the larger Surface 2-in-1 device, just miniaturized. On its surface, I couldn't resist. It's a familiar tablet form factor. There's a 10-inch screen, and it weighs in at just 1.15 pounds. The Surface Go has a built-in kickstand that can be adjusted to different angles. That makes it just as comfortable for video conferencing as it is to use as a design canvas. The Surface Go doesn't come with the type cover or Surface Pen accessories. Too bad, because you'll want those if you plan to use this for getting real work done. One major difference from this Surface Pro is that this device runs Windows 10 in S mode. Microsoft's branding here emphasizes security, but really it means that you can't install applications outside of the Microsoft Store. Yes, that means no Google Chrome. And it also means that any other legacy desktop apps you're used to can't be used here. On the other hand, the lightweight OS helps with performance and to keep the battery running for up to 9 hours. For ports on the Surface Go, we have one USB-C input, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a Surface Connect port for charging, and the type cover connection. There's also a microSD XC card reader. The Surface Go began shipping August 2nd, and it's available starting at $529 in Canada. Overall, the Surface Go looks like it could be a good productivity tool. Since it works with Microsoft Office, you could probably get a lot of work done with this, especially if you're stuck on a long flight in a cramped seat. We'll be doing a full review of this tablet over the summer, so check back for an all-hands-on-tech featuring the Microsoft Surface Go. For IT World Canada, I'm Brian Jackson. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to check out that review later.